Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the 16 by 12 RALENO photo studio box that they sent to me for this video. And I have to say that this could be one of those that you really need if you are into product production, like product videos and product photos and just like advertising and kind of like taking those photos up to the next level. Because this one comes back with everything you're going to need. Well, I'm going to put it together for you and show it in a few seconds, but it comes with the fabric right here, so you're not going to have any issues with this. It also comes with this super nice bag, so you can actually carry the whole thing with you on the go when you're going to take some photos in different places, on different studios. It also comes with a mesh pocket for the power cable that you're gonna see in a few seconds. We're gonna unfold this one, but also the other good thing about this one, besides the comes the 24 watts and also more than 100 LED lights, is that it also comes with 6 different backdrops right here, that these are waterproof. So that's a good thing about this one, because these are waterproof, so you're not going to have any issues if you need to spray the product with water or something like that. So having these 6 different backdrops, I think it's a really good bonus. Let's put everything together so we can jump into the action. So before we put everything together, you're going to see that it comes with the Velcro, so it's going to be really easy. And in here, you're going to find all those LEDs that I was telling you before. These are going to be the walls for the actual box, and this is going to be the entry point. Let me show you this one right here. This is going to be the entry point to take the photo whenever you need. So let's actually put this box together right now. Okay, so this one is all set up. So it is with the Velcro on the walls. It's really, really easy. And the LED lights goes on top, of course. You have the entry point right here. But I do want to show you a couple of things. So for example, if you need like a super, super close-up, you can actually put this one as well right here up front and have that kind of like white softbox to hit kind of like a macro point. So you can actually use this one as well and put it on the side with the Velcro as well and just use it for a really nice close-up. Also, this one right here, you can see they have, let me show you. Besides, it comes with the instruction manuals and the assembly process right here, super well explained. You're gonna have the entry point right here for the front photo, or you also can have one right here for an aerial photo as well. So that's another good thing about this one. And the other good thing, let me show you. I put this one right here one more time. Let me show you that this one right here, once that is plugged, it comes with this knob. So you can actually dim the light a little bit, turn it on if you want, just make it softer, or of course, super, super strong. So that's gonna be really good for those really good photos. Let's actually put one of the backdrops inside right now. So let's just put the white one. It is super, super easy. You just slide it in. There is a strap on the bottom side that is gonna be for you to slide it under that strap. Let me do it like super quick. So now that one is in place. And then right here, it also comes with this elastic strap. So you're gonna put it underneath just like this and make sure that you have that desired curve that you need for your backdrop. So we are almost there. So we push a little bit and we are done. Let's close our lid one more time. So I'm gonna get closer slowly so you can see the transition of a really nice presentation of your product right there. You can see that it looks super, super sharp. So you can use a micro photo, like a macro photo, a macro lens, and just like making sure that you have all those angles that you need. Of course, it's going to be really, really sharp with the LED lights. And if you need one from the top as well, remember that you have the other entrance as well. And also remember that you can dim the lights a little bit if you need, just to give them a little bit of more flash. You can just put it back to the actual max brightness and make sure that you have that shot you need with all the lights and of course the brightness and all the details on top with the LED light. And of course, this really cool box that is going to be the ultimate addition to your photo or video studio, of course. I like it. This thing is super versatile. It comes with the 6 backdrops, remember, and of course, the LED lights back on top, the multiple entry points, the dimmable light, and something that is super easy to take with you on the go and make ready for when you have to take those really nice photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.